Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to share one important note. If you are adding the Export Cobra Amber taillights to your new Edge Mustang, it does utilize one extra bulb that you have to add with its socket. And you can't just add any of the sockets if you're using a donor harness. So it has to actually be the one that would be the reverse light on the donor harness. And the reason why is because it has two prongs as it goes into the housing, and you're also using the ground and the major wiring for both of those. You might be able to also use that third running light one that has the ground and the minor, but I think we're going to go with major on this one because it does require more of a flash, a brighter, a more intense one. That's why they use that one for the reverse light. So I'll show you here in this video real quick what that means, and the full video is in the video description for the install. Now that leaves us our amber turn signal. So what we're going to need for that one is a two prong. So it has to be one of the ones that we use for either the reverse light or that last running light. And I'm going to say we're going to go with the major because it's a turn signal one. It's not just a running light. So this is the one that we're going to use. Okay, so let's take a look at our harness here. This is our donor harness. Okay. And of course you have the black ones that will not fit because they're three prong, and they are the three wires, ground, minor, and major. We can't use those. It has to be one of the two prongs. Notice how there's two prongs down there in the corner. Okay, so it has to be one of these that we're using unless you're buying it separately from late model restoration or something. So the minor one here is the extra third running light. We can't use this one. Maybe you can, but I'm going to say we're going to use this one. So here is our major. Notice how it has ground and major. So this is the one that we're after. So you can just cut it right. So check the video description for the full video on installing these. You do have to add the flasher relay, disconnect one of the wires under the dash. And so I have the full instructions on that in the video description. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.